For writing today, we are responding to what we read, so make sure you've done the reading assignment first. So, our two books are Bear Snores On and A Bear Cub Grows Up. You can respond to both of the books in your writing or just one of them. It's up to you. So, the first thing you're writing about is something that you noticed, something that you found interesting. A sentence starter could be, I notice. Make sure that when you're using the letter I as a word, like right here, it is a capital I. Remember, to capitalize a letter on your keyboard, you press the Shift button and the letter at the same time. The next thing you're responding to is a question that you had before, during, or after your reading. I wonder. So a good sentence starter is I wonder. Then you're responding to a connection you made to the story, something that reminds you of from your own life. So a good sentence starter for that could be, this book reminds me of. When you're done, make sure that you have a period at the end of your sentence for I notice, a period at the end of your sentence for this book reminds me of, and a question mark at the end of your sentence for what you wonder. When you've done your best work and checked it, X out and press the blue turn in button.